Today we're going to be doing a bike check on my KHS Aerotrack. I'm going to give you the list of the parts and up close detail of the bike. Hope you enjoy it. Fucking birds chirping. Shut up! Kind of like calm down. For the front end, I got the Nitto Jaguar 100mm Nitto straight bars. They're the B2500AA. They come in 50 centimeters. I didn't have to cut them. That was like a decent size. So on the front end, I also have the SJ4000 action camera. That's a $30 one you've seen in the previous videos. And also the Mur drink holster. I'm going to eventually do a review on that. It fits like the standard size water bottle. And it also fits a beer really nicely in it. So yeah, that's the front end. The brakes just like some Dia Compe brake and Tektro and all that crap, so nothing too special on that. I currently have running is a 4616 Sugino Zen chainring to the Sugino 75s. The pedals are going to be the Wellgo pedals with the Soma toe clips, and then for the straps it's the Cadence navy blues. Seat post, we got a Michi Super Type. It's a 26.8, and there's a subway coming, so I'll be right back. You fucking assholes. Always. Alright, so the train just passed, and for the saddle we got the San Marco Zahn Colin. Probably botched that, but it's a really comfortable saddle. And I know someone's gonna be like, oh yeah, he has a top tube protector. It's straight bars, what's up with that? Well, it actually does protect the frame. I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, I had to give up on the bike check. I think I got everything. If not, I could show you in detail on Instagram or whatever. So, that's it. Birds chirping, subways whizzing by, all that shit in New York City. Next time I'll do a bike check inside of the BMW V2. Have a good day guys. Always wear your helmet and ride safe.